Server and Application Monitor provides you with visibility into your critical applications. This includes monitoring, alerting, and reporting on the health, performance, and availability of all applications running in your environment and the hardware health of your servers. SAM will allow you to gain insight into your physical and virtual infrastructure. There are over 150 built-in application templates that leverage standard APIs, such as WMI and SNMP, in addition to a wide array of user experience monitors. These provide you with real-time visibility into your most critical applications. On the application summary, you have a view of all monitored applications. You can personalize the layout, tailor it to your environment, and even set up account limitations. Any problems in your environment will be displayed as a yellow warning or a red critical icon under the All Applications tree. The Application Health Overview chart will show you at a glance which applications are up and those that are experiencing issues. We'll drill down into the applications and see which ones are performing well and which ones are in a critical or warning state. It looks like the SQL Server is having some performance issues. Hovering over the application name will display a detailed snapshot of the exact issue. If you expand a monitored application, you will have a view of all subcomponent monitors associated with the application. From here, I can quickly identify that my SQL Server has a critical performance issue. You can click again if you need more information or details on the overall application. SAM provides several methods for troubleshooting and remediating application issues within your environment. Within the Management resource, you will find the Real-Time Process Explorer, Event Viewer, the Service Control Manager, and a convenient reboot button. The Real-Time Process Explorer lets you quickly and in real time identify any processes that are consuming high CPU, memory, or disk I/O. You can quickly identify which process has caused high CPU utilization. I can easily begin continuously monitoring this process or terminate the process from within the same interface. The Service Control Manager will quickly show all services on the server, their statuses, and provide the ability to stop, start, or restart a service, all from the web console, so you don't need a remote desktop into the server. Server and Application Monitor not only provides key application metrics, it also provides out-of-the-box server hardware monitoring for multiple vendors, including Dell PowerEdge, HP ProLiant, IBM X Series, VMware ESX and ESXi servers, and server blade chassis. Also available is historical hardware information. SAM includes fan speed, power supply status, temperature, and other hardware health metrics. Server and Application Monitor offers dynamic service groups. These groups will allow you to organize servers and applications in order to roll up service level status across your business. Leveraging these groups allows you to understand the root cause of a problem. You can quickly isolate the fault, which makes it easier for you to identify and resolve issues in your environment. The very first thing you're likely to notice when accessing the App Insight for SQL View are the chart resources that combine information. This includes status and current values normally found within the Components resource, but with the metrics' historical values charted over time. This allows you to see not only how the application is performing right now, but how that performance compares to historical trends without needing to drill deeper into the interface. There's such an enormous amount of valuable information on this view that it has been categorized and broken up logically across multiple resources. This prevents anyone from becoming too overwhelmed with all the information shown, while also making the diagnosis of root cause easier. For example, if you're troubleshooting a potential memory issue on your SQL Server, then all information related to memory is contained within the memory resource. There are similar resources for information, such as latches and locks, connections, cache, paging, buffers, and more. Best of all, App Insight for SQL automatically monitors your SQL instances according to Microsoft best practices. Another feature of SAM is the all-new Threshold Baseline Calculator. Located from within the application editor, directly next to any threshold field, you will find two new options. The first, Use Latest Baseline Thresholds, calculates and applies recommended warning and critical thresholds for the selected metric, based upon the last 7 days of statistics collection, which is the baseline. Some might consider this a blind faith approach to thresholding that more closely resembles a random number generator, but don't you worry your pretty little head. There's a science behind where those numbers come from, and for all that detail and more, you only need to click on the latest baseline details link. Here you have the option of selecting or deselecting typical business hours as well as nights and weekends, or view the cumulative total for an entire time period. This provides a quick and easy way of determining the number of times you would have been alerted during the baseline period depending on how your thresholds were defined. Now, if embracing your inner statistician isn't your thing, you can also choose the more familiar Metric Over Time from the topmost tab, which displays the typical historical chart view with visual warning and critical thresholds included. These thresholds are calculated using standard deviation, armed with a better understanding provided by the Threshold Baseline Calculator of what is typical. You can now make educated, informed decisions as to how warning and critical thresholds should be best defined. We've extended SAM's hardware health monitoring to include a much broader array of additional server asset inventory information. This allows SAM to collect all relevant information necessary for asset depreciation, insurance, and support. However, this feature also provides a wealth of information you'll likely find useful in your everyday tasks. Such examples include reporting on software installed for license tracking, or what operating system updates have been applied to a server, by whom, and when they were applied. SAM will also alert you when your server's warranty is due to expire. You'll find a new server warranty summary resource that provides at-a-glance warranty status for servers. This resource shows where the warranty has expired, is due to expire soon, and those next closest to expire. Server and Application Monitor also gives you visibility into your VMware or Hyper-V environment. The virtualization summary provides a high-level view of the environment along with top 10 performance resources. For more granular data, I can drill down into one of my host systems. This provides a list of all virtual machines associated within the host. The view also provides information on CPU utilization, memory usage, and network traffic of each virtual machine associated with the host. As you can see, SAM can monitor all your application and server needs. For more information or to download a free 30-day trial, please visit SolarWinds.com.